Hello everyone. So in the last video we saw how to find the uniqueness of characters in a string. In this video we are going to do the same but a bit different. It's called bit manipulation. It is highly recommended that if you are bidding for an interview in big giant companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, so be ready and learn bit manipulation. So before proceeding with my solution, let's first understand what is bit manipulation in Java. So there are four, or you can say six, bit manipulation operators are there in Java. So first is bitwise AND, bitwise OR, left shift, right shift. Sorry, previous one is the right shift. This is left shift. Right shift signed and left shift signed. So for this example, we will focus on these four. So let me explain how these work. These work on a binary value of any primitive value. So for example, let's say int a is equal to 4. So if we want to check what is the binary value of 4, it's 100. Int b is equal to 2. So what is the value for this? Yes, you're right. It's 10, or you can say 010. So if we will do the AND of A and B, okay, so what will be the output of this one? So AND work in this way. So if both the values are 1, then it returns 1, else it will return 0. So in this case, yes, you are right, it will return 0 only. Let's execute. I'll shift XJ. Here it is. Now let's see this one. What it will return? It will return but first of all, what it do? It where there is a value 1, either one, it will mark 1, else if the both are 0, then it's 0. So in this case it will become 1 1 1 0. So it's 6. Let's run it again. Sorry. Yeah. So next is left shift. So if we want to make a two value so it will do. So what it do? It shift the value by 1 bit. So now it will become A will become 0 1 0. Yeah, there are more bits when we will construct the whole int, but the last values are these two only. And if we want to make B as 4, then what we will do? We will do B left shift. This is the right shift, this is the left shift. Run as Java application, so it's 4. So now when we are shifting its bit towards left, so 0 will be appended here, so it becomes 100. Okay, now let's proceed with the solution. And in this case we are going to test our uniqueness of element or duplicacy of element with iPhone. So as you know, there is no duplicacy, and the other string is Sam. Okay, let's start. Let's take an int to hold the values of all the character values on a bit level. So I am making result is equal to 0. So all the bits of this int all are 0. So let's start a loop the same we did in the previous video. Int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to in dot length, and I plus plus. Good. Now we will get value the same way we did in last video. Dot vector at I, and here we will do one more magic, like we will consider a as 0th element. So we will subtract a from it. So if there is a character, then it will be a 0 as a value. So on the first bit we will set the value of a in result. Let's move. Now check if result and 1 shifted by the value is greater than equal to 0. Let's do it this way. So if 2 1 1 appear in the result, then that means we are encountering a duplicacy. And else result or equals to 1 by value. And in the end, if everything goes fine, then return true. Let's try to run it. Oh my god. I need to call is unique here. Sometimes when you're doing hard coding, so you make some silly mistakes. It happens. That's all right. Okay. So if you want to find what is the exact value of result, try to debug it. You will understand. It's quite interesting. Thank you. Keep watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.